this vegan herbal cheese spread all the time, and also the vegan pancakes. Welcome back to our simple home. For this vegan herb cheese spread, I use 2 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of Nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar, and 1/8 of a teaspoon liquid smoke, but that is optional. You don't have to use it. It tastes good without it too. 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of refined coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of dill, half a cup of water. If you don't mix it in a machine like I do, if you do it by hand, I would use hot water so the coconut melts, or melt the coconut, and it's easier to mix everything. And that's how it turned out. Now I transfer the cheese over to a bowl of choice. My kids love this cheese. It's a must-have for their sandwiches. We do it all the time for years already. So I hope you like this cheese too. If you enjoy my video so far, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Once I scraped out my mixing bowl, I even out the herbal spread a little bit so it looks nice and it is ready to go to enjoy. You can enjoy it right away. You can keep it in the fridge and use it throughout the week. My kids love to eat that vegan herbal cheese spread with vegan pancakes. They enjoy it all the time actually, and we make it for years already. The vegan pancakes is the first video I ever made on this channel. You can find it in the description box below. Just click on it and then you can see it how I make it. This cheese is very flavorful. You can taste all the herbs in there, and yeah, we actually enjoy it very much. Even if I am not vegan, I still love this spread. I eat it on regular bread too, and I love it. Once we are done with our sandwiches, I just cover it up with a lid tight and put it in the fridge and enjoy it the next day again. Well, I'm glad you stopped by and watched my video. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.